Hey everyone, this is Kyle, and you're watching another episode of Laughing Place on Location. So today we are in St. Louis, Missouri. I'm currently sitting in my car, waiting to walk over to check out the Camp Rock 3 bus tour. This tour has been making its way around the nation, and it just so happened that it was stopping in St. Louis as I was driving home from Gen Con. Now, it seems that where this bus is stopping is going to be right in the shadow of the Gateway Arch, which I've never actually been to, so this should be a pretty good time. Let's go check it out. So I am pretty early, but I don't see the bus quite yet, and I did see some families walking by, so I thought maybe they were also looking for the bus, but no, they're just headed to the Arch, which, like I said, is just a block that way. So that makes much more sense if they're going to the giant wonder and not the bus tour, but hey, there's still time. Okay, I am now hearing other people talking about it, looking for it, and I think I hear the people that are actually setting it up getting ready, so getting closer.
Uh-oh, here come the bus!
So the bus arrived and there was a pretty decent crowd. We all got a photo of ourselves with a Polaroid in front of the bus, and they gave us some Camp Rock 3 posters. But most importantly, I got to walk over to the Arch for the first time. Maybe next time I'll actually go up inside of it, but that was good enough for now. And just like that, I made it back to my car. Remember where I parked on the first try, so very proud of that. And that's going to do it here from St. Louis. A short video, but it was a pretty short event. Unfortunately, by the time you see this, the bus tour will be over, but that also means that you'll be able to watch Camp Rock 3 on Disney Plus and Disney Channel. And since we're talking Camp Rock, let me also take you to the Camp Rock 3 world premiere to hear speeches from the Jonas Brothers and Demi Lovato.
Hey guys, how you doing? Thank you, Io, and thank you to the entire creative team bringing Camp Rock 3 to the screen. If you couldn't believe it, it's been 18 years since we were last seen as Connect 3. And we were so happy to be back, and we were so happy to be executive producing this and bringing this film to an entire new generation of fans. As dads, we know how much this new cast of kids is just absolutely amazing, and across the world they will blow you completely away. We can't wait for all of you to fall in love with them, with their music, with the characters, and all the iconic Camp Rock Easter eggs throughout the entire film. And you didn't think we'd be returning to Camp Rock without Mitchie Torres,
Oh my
did you?
God.
Which is kind of wild. A year ago today, she shared the stage with us at MetLife Stadium. So now a year later, we're sharing the big screen again. Please welcome our friend and fellow executive producer, Demi Lovato.
So glad to be here to celebrate a film that is so close to my heart. Camp Rock and the role of Mitchie changed my life, and I am so honored to be an executive producer on this new film and bring Mitchie back to life. I know you'll all love this film just as much as we do, and I can't wait for you to meet this incredible new cast.
So without further ado, Camp Rock 3!
Well, since we do have a little bit more time, why don't I take you to Wally's? Yeah, if Buc-ee's hasn't sued this place yet, you know it's coming. And with this bonus tag, that's going to be the end of this episode of Laughing Place on Location. But be sure to come back next week because we'll have a big spectacular from D23, the Ultimate Disney Fan Event. So thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.